So guys, I'm Duke. I'm going to use this as an introduction video to our channel because I kind of have no real idea how to do it, but basically a bunch of guys out of Vancouver hang out every day and I figure we do interesting stuff, so I'm going to start up a YouTube channel for us. We're going to call ourselves Skidz, kind of name we put ourselves to, and it's odd, but I'll start off the video just me changing the rear wheels on my Silvia S15 Spec R. Just going to bring it around here to the garage. That's also my Toyota Supra. Sorry for the noise, my fender liner is terribly rubbing. We went drifting the other night and completely destroyed my fender liner, so. Just bringing it around the block here. But yeah, we're from Vancouver, Canada. We drive mainly S chassis, so like 240s, S13s, 14s, and I'm the only guy with an S15, but basically on this channel we're gonna just have ourselves going to meets, events. We run a local group of car guys here as well, so a lot of interesting stuff going on. So we're gonna try and document it. I actually bought and sold a few 240s that year. Next summer here, hopefully we recorded, document some cool stuff. Even during the winter time, a lot of us built our cars up pretty well. We recorded that, but I figured why not start now. It's springtime, maybe get towards it. So yeah, give it a little walk around of all the cars here. Yeah, so this is my mom's 1989 Nissan Pulsar NX. She has the rare option of the trunk. She bought this thing, original owner, back in 89 obviously. She was 21 years old. Interior is absolutely mint. 178 kilometers on it. 5-speed. Fun fact, this thing has a CA18DE, naturally aspirated front wheel drive. Pop-ups on the thing are pretty ugly once you see them up. And this is also my recent purchase. 93 240SX convertible. It's bone stock, got it from a lady who had it for 10 years. 102,000 miles on it, originally a US car. But basically the fuel pump went on this thing and I bought it off her for 800 bucks. I work at Nissan, so I saw it come in, saw a problem, left a note, called her, and got in touch, and I picked it up one day. So nice cheap little buy. But yeah, this is the dream machine here, the Silvia, and that is my 240. That 240 there is gonna be getting an RB20. I bought it off a buddy actually who completely redid it. It's super clean, covered in junk right now, but RB20 DET. It's got a VG30 turbo, some aftermarket parts on there, fuel rail, polished intake, but yeah, nothing too crazy. He has a dyno tuned, it's pushing like 300 I think. So plan is to paint the engine bay on that car there, and then throw it in for the summer and kind of drive it as is. This is the car here. So it's pretty mint. It's really dirty. It's been sitting for a while. Some interiors kind of gutted out, but yeah, got it from the original owner. Under the hood sits nothing at the moment currently, so we gotta pull everything out of here, prime it, get it ready for paint it, and then the RB should go in. So, I got GP Sports coilovers, had to unseize them. So I was putting the wheels away, and I don't think I've actually shown you guys yet the boneyard, graveyard of 240 parts. Had a fuck ton of drift spares. Wheels, big Country Labs, giant ass bolt-on wing, bumpers, side skirts, pig nose lip, tires, exhaust, spare Silvia trunk, more exhaust, bumpers, fenders, and another bumper, some mud flaps, a wing. Alright. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're out here. Moist Skidz. Here we are at the Ricer 2017 Nationals. Got those gold-plated wheels. You know it? This is Denny's totally stock coupe. Totally didn't smash into a pole one time. Collector plates. No, going to first. Collector plates. Shit. Fucking dude. Yo, this is a pretty sweet car.
No.
Look at them on that camber though. 10 degrees. 1 J's. 2 J's. Yo, is this lighting proof? Oh my god. Oh my god. Carbon figures. Here we are. This is Russell's car. It has chlamydia. Fucking fresh paint. Nice. Oh, this actually looks like chlamydia. It's been diagnosed last week. How do you feel about having chlamydia? Russell has chlamydia. 6 a rattle can. Okay, let's go to that side now. Cody's Mustang side. Oh, here's Devin. Devin's dank hatch. Conan fixing it. What's going on?
Yeah, what's up?
That thing. Okay, sorry, go regular. Okay. Fuck, dude, it's pretty clean, eh? Did you just clean the engine there? I think this is a 2J, right? Oh, there is a turbo right there. Got those sick wheels, though. Devin's car is
You like McDonald's, dude.
Katana fucking sword shit. Multicolored fucking red, silver primer. Here we have an R34 GTR. I can't tell if it's smashed or what's going on, but here we have a garbage. Hey man, recycling day was yesterday.
There you go.
Mint. Stance.